In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting using Google Meet and Google Calendar. These tools are incredibly useful for setting up virtual meetings with ease, whether you're working remotely, connecting with friends and family, or coordinating with colleagues globally. So let's dive in to make sure your meeting planning goes as smoothly as possible. First off, you'll want to head over to the Google Meet website. This is your starting point for scheduling a meeting. Once you're on the website, look for the button that says Schedule with a link to Google Calendar. This handy tool will help ensure your meeting is organized and timely. Click on Schedule and you'll be redirected to Google Calendar. Now, if you're new to this, don't worry. Google Calendar is user-friendly and intuitive. It's designed to keep all your meetings and appointments at your fingertips, helping you stay organized. Once you're in Google Calendar, you're ready to set up the details of your meeting. The first thing you'll need to do is type in a title for your meeting. This is important because a clear title helps your attendees understand the purpose of the meeting right away. Make sure it's concise yet descriptive enough to stand out on their calendar. Next, you'll want to fill out the necessary information, notably the date and time. Choosing the right date and time is crucial. Check your attendees' availability if possible to find a slot that works well for everyone. Remember, being considerate of different time zones if you have attendees from different parts of the world is a key part of effective scheduling. After inputting these details, double-check everything to make sure all the information is accurate. Once you've confirmed that all the details are correct, click Save. This will finalize the setup of your meeting in Google Calendar. You'll notice that upon saving, a Google Meet link is automatically generated and attached to the meeting details. This feature ensures everyone has the necessary link to join the meeting without any hassle. And there you have it. That's how you schedule a meeting using Google Meet and Google Calendar. With just a few clicks, you've successfully set up a meeting and included a convenient link for all the participants to access. It's a straightforward process that becomes second nature with a little practice. If at any point you need to make changes or add more details, you can always go back to Google Calendar, find your event, and edit it. It's that simple. Thanks for tuning in today and happy meeting planning. Remember, organization is key to a successful virtual meeting, so make the most of the tools at your disposal.